Ya kwa Ramogi kaka na singo ni Joyce Oduor ni karda kama embaka sikendo bro tudrekode kuom thuolo machuo kata kamano ka wadhi nyime ni doho makisio wito okong'eto mane gimiyo Daa Junior Sagini mane twe kuom higni 5 kuom ketho mar ne golo oko wenge Sagini dwe mar 12 higa mar 2022. Jang'ad buche e doho no Waweru Kiari wacho ni tok neno kendo neno mane ochwalo oyudo ni Raila Nyakerario ne ok otendo rekod ketho no. Medo ni Raila ma jagidi 80 no winjo ochwal kaka janeno mar piny owacho. Kilmare Kerosi Ondieko opwoyo ng'eto no.
Mungu anasaidia mimi ni kivyose. Mimi naenda nyumba yangu. Mimi hakuna kitu. Si mimi peke yake nyumba yangu. Hakuna mtoto. Si mtoto hii ni mjukuu ni yangu. Mungu anatoa nyumba ya chera. Asante. Anakoka saiti.
So as you can see, the lady is happy after having been acquitted of the charges of grievous harm leveled against her. The court has today come out clear and said that there was no evidence at all against the accused person. One of the witnesses alluded to the fact that she assisted the principal offenders after they had finished to conceal evidence. But even that one, the court has said that the investigations were not properly carried to show that she actually participated even in concealing the evidence in this matter.